Hi, I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach, and in this video, I'm going to cover what is Medicare. Now, I first learned about Medicare when I was helping my dad figure out his Medicare decision. I was shocked at how confusing Medicare is. So since then, I've made Medicare straightforward and simple to help thousands of people all over the country easily make their right decision too. Now, the Medicare Coach doesn't receive any sales commissions, which means that we are truly independent and unbiased from insurance companies. So you will hear me share things that are very different from what you've probably heard before to help you make your right decision. Now, because of Medicare insurability rules, you may not be able to switch plans in the future. So please make the right decision when you first join Medicare. Also, please stay tuned through the end of the video where I will share a free resource with you to help you easily make your decision too. Okay, let's cover what is Medicare. Now, Medicare is a federal health insurance program for people who are 65 or older, certain people under that who have certain disabilities, and people with end-stage renal disease. Now, there are different parts of Medicare which will cover specific services. We have Medicare Part A, which covers your hospital insurance. This includes your inpatient hospital stay, your skilled nursing, your hospice care, things like that. We have Medicare Part B, which is your medical insurance. This covers your doctor's visits, your lab tests, your durable medical equipment. This is the part of Medicare that you will use the most. Now, Medicare Part A and B only cover 80% of approved expenses, and either you or Medigap plan or a Medicare Advantage plan will pay the remaining 20% of your cost. There's also Medicare Part D, which is your Medicare drug coverage. These are offered by private insurance companies to cover your medications. Since Medicare Part A and B don't cover most medications, you need to get a Medicare Part D drug plan to reduce your costs for your prescriptions. Please also know that by the time you turn 65, you must have creditable prescription drug coverage, otherwise you will face penalties. Now, there's also Medicare Part C as in Charlie. This is Medicare Advantage. These are offered by private insurance companies and bundled together your Part A, Part B, and many times your drug coverage as well. These often act like an HMO or PPO. So look to see the doctors that you want to see and whether or not that plan will cover your doctors. They usually have co-pays, and they can also have max out-of-pocket limits of nearly $7,000. I talk about these parts of Medicare in much more detail in other videos, but please know that Medicare is complex, so it's important to understand the different parts of Medicare, how they work, and what they will cover before finalizing your decision. Like I said earlier, Medicare is complicated, and too many people make the wrong Medicare decision, which is jeopardizing your healthcare and your savings. This is why people turn to the Medicare Coach for help. If you want help with your Medicare decision and the steps to take to make your right decision, click the link below to join my free online Medicare workshop. In this workshop, I cover the 5 steps to Medicare so you can easily make your right Medicare decision without wasting time on research or paperwork. These are the steps that my dad took to make his decision. It's completely free to join, but there are a limited number of seats, so make sure you click the link below and reserve your seat. Again, I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach, and I look forward to speaking with you on the free Medicare workshop. Here's to making Medicare easy. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment below, and subscribe for more videos just like this.